Dude, say hi to the camera. Hello, people. Hello there. Mom is working late, so me and Ryan are partying like it's 2019 in the NICU. Do a drum solo for us. Drum solo. When you're under pressure, you won't do it. Drum solo. There you go. Drum solo. What are we gonna do tonight? We're gonna party it up. Do a little drum. Party like a rock star. Gonna have fun tonight. Well, all right. There you go. There you go. What else are we gonna do tonight? Gonna bring some chicks over, have some fun, or just watch TV, or watch Bluey tonight. Probably just watch Bluey. All right. Say goodbye to YouTube. Go ah. All right. We'll talk to y'all later. Bye.